you are welcome to my channel. And you see, this is exercise 7.2 part 2 integral chapter integrals, and we do today we do exercise questions. These are the 15 questions at there, and I select 10 questions which are little bit difficult in doing, and one by one I explain how we integrate it. Then start. Then first question is that, and integration of 2x by 1 plus x square dx. My friends, we do all the questions by substitution method. By substitution method, my friends. And now I will start the integration. First of all, we substitute the function. First of all, you see that is 1 plus x square. Then let suppose 1 plus x square, we take it is equal to t. My friends, now we derivate it. My friends, now we start the derivation of 1 plus x square is 2x, my friends, and 1 is 0, that is dt by dx, my friends, and this 2x is, you see in this function. Now then this dx is multiplied there, then 2x dx is equal to dt, friends. That and this we put the in the function. Then what function is comes, that is integration of 2x dx is equal to dt by 1 plus 2x is equal to t, that is t, friends. Now it's so much easy, and you know the integration of 1 by t is log t plus c, my friends. Now put the value of t, that is complete the integration. Then answer is log value of t is 1 plus x square plus c, and solve. So much easy questions are there. Now I come to second question. Second question is that log x by x square. You see, number 2, integration of log x by x power 2 dx. Now again by the substitution method, we solve this. First of all, we take, suppose log x is equal to t, friends. Now we start the derivation, derivate it. Then log x is 1 by x equal to dt by dx, friends, and we write this as 1 dx comes on the multiply it, then dx by x equal to dt. Now again 2 equations are comes, and that is equal to, we put in this function, my friends. Now the function is comes, that is we put the equation. First of all, we distribute it by it, you understand, 1 by x dx, and you see 1 by dx is dt and log x is t. Now we put it t square dt. Now integrate it, so much easy now. Then integration of t is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So friends, now put the value of t, that is log x, and 2 plus 1 is 3 by 3 plus c. So friends, and solve. So friends, now we go for third question. And now the third question is that integration of 1 by x plus x log x dx. Okay friends, third question, 1 by, that is 1 by x plus x log x, friends, dx. Now first of all we take common. You see x comes in the both the equations, then 1 by x 1 plus log x, friends, dx. Now we go for a substitution. Then first of all we take t. We suppose t, whose t is, we take it 1 plus log x is equal to t. Now we derivate it. My friends, now we derivate it. Then what comes is 1 is 0 and log x is 1 by x is equal to dt by dx. My friends, now dt is dx by x, friends. Now these values put in the equation. Then comes 1 by x is dt, then dt, and 1 plus log x is equal to t, then t. Okay friends, now we integrate this function and what will come, that is log t plus c. Now again we put the value of t and that is the answer. Now we go for a fourth question, and fourth question is that integration of sin x sin cos x dx. My friends, now you see in the watching, you see that is a difficult question, but it is so simple. Sin x sin cos x dx. My friends, the watching you think it is so much difficult question, but it is so easy questions. Let we suppose cos x. Now we suppose cos x is equal to t. Just in this question, in this type of questions, which I explain in this question, just we think which content I suppose is equal to t, then all the question is solved. Now suppose cos x is equal to t. Now in derivation of cos x is minus sin x is equal to dt by dx. Now the same sin x is sin x and dx is here. Now we put the minus sign both side. My friends, now minus plus sin x, and we dx is equal to minus dt. That equation and this equation put in the function, and that is solved. So much easy question. That is comes integration sin x dx is dt minus dt, and sine cos x is equal to t and dt minus. Now we solve the equation, we integrate it and comes the answer. Now we come to a fifth question. Fifth question is that integration of sine ax plus b cos ax plus b. It's also a easy question, that is sine a plus ax plus b and cos ax plus b. It's much easy question, we say that in my words, it's much easy question in my words, because we see both the content are different. We take it anyone in which we take it t, and this derivation comes equal to another. Then we take sine ax plus b is equal to t and we derivate it. Now what comes? Then sine is cos ax plus b, and derivation of ax plus b is a is equal to dt by dx, and we need a cos ax plus b, that is cos ax plus b. Now cos ax plus b, and that is dx. Now dt by a, I can write it as, then we put in the place of cos ax plus b dx. That is simple. Now what will comes? We can write it as sine ax plus b is t, and that is dt by a, and a is constant. Then we write it as 1 by a integration of t dt. How so much easy questions, and we now we integrate it, that is comes the answer. Now we come to a sixth question, and that is integration of x plus 2 and root dx. My friends, now you see in the trigonometric equations, that is some easy points are there, we can suppose is equal to t. But in the algebraic question, algebraic type of question, that type of question, what thing we suppose, that is just so much easy and so much difficult, so much difficult thing, that what thing we suppose is equal to t. Because if we suppose x plus 2 is equal to t, then what will come? The derivation is dt is equal to dx, because derivation is x is equal to 1 and 2 is equal to 0. 1 is equal to dt by dx. That is, now if we x plus 2 is equal to dt, we suppose it x plus 2 is equal to t, and now we derivate it, then what will come? X is equal to 1 and 2 is equal to 0 is equal to dt by dx, and that is dx is equal to dt. Now no match in the equation, then what will we do at here? Then you see, you pick up this point, x plus 2 is equal to t, and now we find what the value of t, x. What will we put at the place of x? Then you see x is equal to, after it we solve this equation, then x is equal to t minus 2, that is we put this point in the place of x. Now you see, then x is t minus 2. Friends, and x plus 2 is t, then t under root, and dx is equal to dt. My friend, now we solve the equation. First of all, before integration, we solve the equation, and that is t minus 2, and we change the under root in power, that is 1 by 2. My friends, now we multiply it in the bracket 1 by 1 with both. Then what will comes the integration of t. First of all, t 1 by 2 is multiplied with t, that is comes 3 by 2 minus 2t 1 by 2. My friends, that is dt. Now we integrate this equation. My friends, now I solve the equation. Now we start the integration of this, that is t 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 is as it is because it is a constant, and now t 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1, my friends, plus c. That is the equation comes. Now we solve it and put the value of t. That is so much easy. Now we go for a 7th question. That is 7th question is integration of x under root 1 plus 2x square dx. That is equal to same equation of with 6. Now please try it at home. I am not doing this question. Now we come to a next question, that is 8th question, and integration of 4x plus 2 under root x square plus x plus 1 dx. It also some match with 7th or 6th question, but I will explain how we integrate it. That is x square plus 4x plus 2 x square plus x plus 1 under root dx. So friends, I explain this question, and that is first of all we put the t, that is x square plus x plus 1 is equal to t, and we derivate it. So friends, derivate it. Now what will come, that is 2x plus x is equal to 1 and 1 is equal to 0 dt by dx. And you see 2x plus 1, if we take common in this, we take 2 common in this equation, then what will comes 2x plus 1. Then first of all we solve it, 2x plus 1 dx equal to dt, and two type of equation comes and we put in the function. Now what will become, first of all we solve 4x plus 1, then we take 2 common in this, we take 2 common, then what will come, then 2x plus 1, my friends, and x square plus x plus 1, that is as it is, friends. Now we put the value of everyone, that is 2x plus 1 dx is dt, and x square plus x plus 1 is equal to t. Now friends, derivate it. Now what will come, that is 2x plus x is equal to 1 and 1 is equal to 0 dt by dx. And you see 2x plus 1, if we take common in this, we take 2 common in this equation, then what will comes 2x plus 1. Then first of all we solve it. 2x plus 1 dx equal to dt, and two type of equation comes and we put in the function. Now what will become? First of all we solve 4x plus 1, then we take 2 common. In this we take 2 common, then what will come? Then 2x plus 1, my friends, and x square plus x plus 1, that is as it is, friends. Now we put the value of everyone, that is 2x plus 1 dx is dt, and x square plus x plus 1 is equal to t. Now and 2, that 2 is constant. Now we take outside, and now we put the value of 2x plus 1 dx is equal to dt, and x square plus x plus 1 is t, my friend, that is dt. Now we integrate this. First of all we solve it, that is t is power 1 by 2. Now you integrate this equation and answer will comes. Now we go to a ninth question, and ninth question is that is also unroot x by x plus 4 unroot. Just change of numerator and denominator, that is case x plus 4 unroot dx. So friends, it's also an easy question, and as we take, suppose x plus 4 is equal to t, plus 4 is equal to t, and we derivate it. First of all we find the value of x, then x is t minus 4, friends, from this equation. And now this equation we derivate it, that derivation is comes 1 is equal to dt by dx, friends. Now dx is equal to dt. We put these equations in the function, that is comes x is equal to t plus t minus 4, and x plus 4 is equal to t, then t, and dx is equal to dt, friends. Now we change the unroot sign in power, and also we change 1 by 2. Then I solve it, t minus 4, that is first of all we change the sign, that is 1 by 2, and we take in minus because we comes in the numerator, multiplication of. Now we integrate this function, and the integration of this function, first of all, if before the integration, because in the multiplication and there is no any product rule like derivation, so first of all we solve it, we multiply it in the bracket, and what will comes, that is integration t multiply was t, that is t power is t at their power is 1, then 1 minus 1 by 2, friends, and at here that 4t minus 1 by 2, my friends. Now we solve the function, and at there, that is 2 at here t 1 by 2 minus 4t minus 1 by 2. Now we integrate this function, friends. Now we integrate this function, and the integration is 1 by t is equal to 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 plus 1, 1 by 2 plus 1, friends, minus 4t t minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Sorry, not from the integration sign. We integrate this already. Now what will comes? We solve it. That t is 3 by 2 and 3 by 2, then 2 comes here. Now we write it as now 4, that is minus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 1 by 2, and at here 1 by 2 comes in the 2 in the multiplication plus c. Friends, now we put the value of t, and value of t is x plus 4, that is 3 by 2, 2 by 3 minus 4 to the 8, and put the value of t is x plus 4 power 1 by 2 plus c. That is a answer. Friends, now we go for the next question, and next question is that is the last question of this. That is 10th question is that 1 by x minus x under root dx. Now first of all we solve the equation, that is we can write it as 1 by under root x minus 1. We can take under root x common in this. Okay my friends, now we put the x under root minus 1 is equal to t, and we derivate it. My friends, now the first of all we remove the under root and take power minus 1 is equal to t. Now we derivate it, then derivation is 1 by 2 x minus 1 by 2, and 1 is equal to 0 dt by dx. My friends, now solve the equations, that is 1 by 2, that is in the minus, then it come in the denominator 1, and 1 by 2 is under root is equal to dt, and dx comes the multiplication. Now that is the equation we use in this function. Now what will comes, that is integration 1 by, and 1 by under root x is equal to dx 2 dx 2 dt, sorry 2 dt by, and under root x minus 1 is equal to t. Now 2 is a constant when we take it out, and dt by t. Now we integrate this equation, and what will comes, that is 2 log 2 mod plus c. My friends, now we put the equation of value of t, that is 2 log value of t is under root x minus 1 plus c. That is the answer. Okay my friends, thank you.